Hi, I'm Amanda with Team Elton and Vail Summit Orthopedics. I'm going to give you a little instruction on our Achilles VacoPed Boot. Typically, this boot is prescribed to patients that have an Achilles tendon rupture or tear, whether they're non-op or post-op. And we'll also typically prescribe this for a lot of our soft tissue reconstructions post-surgery, so a kidney procedure, where we need a little more special degree angle on this boot. This boot comes with quite a bit of parts, so we figured we'd give you a little instruction on what you're gonna get in your boot package. Obviously, the shell of the boot, you'll get an extra key. The boot comes with one, but they are easy to lose. And we'll show you what that key does here in just a moment. You'll get a little pump. You have 2 platforms. So as you start to decrease your degree during your recovery, the flatter the platform, the more neutral the angle of the ankle. And then you have an extra foam pad here in case this lining gets dirty, and we'll show you how to remove the beads from there. To change the degree of your boot, you'll stick your key into the lock like so and turn horizontally. This guy's gonna move all the way up to the top because remember, we wanna get you up to 3 for 30 degrees. This does take a little effort, so you need to make sure that you're keeping it nice and snug as you move this second dial up to secure and then lock in place. And throughout your recovery, the angles of your boot will change, and that'll be at the instruction of your provider. So depending on that, you'll likely come in here, move your device down, say 10 degrees, so we're at the 20, and then secure in place at the top. Secure your key back so you don't lose it. So again, we have an increased angle at our ankle joint. So in order to give us more surface area when walking so we don't feel like we're on our tiptoes in this guy, we have our thicker heel that we're going to place on our boot. You'll slide that guy in place and you'll hear a click. That means it's secure. To unlock and change out to your neutral, once you get to a neutral ankle, there are 2 buttons on the side of your boot that you'll click simultaneously to remove and replace. Undo your Velcro. Pull off the top of your cage, and you're gonna take out the inside. So this guy, this liner here, is designed with pellets that sit throughout the padding. You want to kind of make sure these guys are evenly distributed before you take out or suck out the air with the bulb. So what I like to do is flatten that all out and move them around. If this guy gets dirty, little zipper on the back, pull out your beading, and then we do give you that extra fabric. So we're gonna throw this guy on Abby. Strap on like so. We will then secure her in the cage. Once you have everything secured in place, we're gonna take this little dial here. Okay, big thing, notice how it moves up and down. So when it's up flush with the valve, that's how you get your air back in. When we get ready to pull the air out with our bulb, we wanna make sure this is flush with the bottom of your valve. You'll secure the pump. You'll notice that the pump recoil starts to slow, and that means we've gotten all the air that we can out. Secure the cap, and then readjust your straps. And that's your VacoPed VacoCast. Again, I'm Amanda. This is Abby. We're Team Elton. Reach out if you have questions.